We're asked to basically multiply here. There's not a division sign, that's a multiplication sign. But it would be a lot of work. It's much easier to cancel common factors first. So, but we really don't have factors. We have terms being added and subtracted. So we'll try to factor each of these. And whenever you're factoring, I've suggested a roadmap. You proceed, look for GCF, pay attention to how many terms, and see if you can factor based on that. Okay. This you're not going to be able to do anything with it. Right here you won't be able to do anything, and here you won't. But this can be factored. Okay. So we're actually going to hope some of this stuff shows up in the factored form. There's just a 1 in front of your first variable, or your leading coefficient is 1. So all you have to do is grab the 9, list all the factors, and if you can come up with a sum of 6, you will be able to factor that trinomial. So grabbing the 9, that would be 1 and 9, 3 and 3. You're looking for a sum of positive 6, so that's positive 3 and positive 3. So the factored form of the denominator, leave myself some room here. For x squared, it's pretty clear for most folks that you simply just put an x in the first position here, okay? And we figured out that a plus 3 and a plus 3 would give us the 9. I'm going to leave room for that y squared. So it'll be plus 3 and plus 3. And if you're not familiar with dealing with this y squared over here, well, how did we handle the x squared? You simply put an x in the first position. To handle the y squared, you simply put a y in the last position. All right. If you multiply these together, you will get right back to your original expression. This 6xy will show up. If you don't see that, you've got to do FOIL, or however you want to say it, but you need to multiply these two binomials to see that that does work. Okay, so now we have 5x plus 7y still up top times, maybe we'll slide this up some, x plus 3y, and a 2 on the bottom. So now we look for common factors. Everything up here, the x and the 3y are being added, but this division bar groups them together. So in effect, they are in parentheses. Okay, and the same is true with 5x plus 7y. They are being added, but this division bar groups them together. So in effect, you have everything up top written as factors, everything on the bottom is written as factors, that is, they're being multiplied. So if you have common factors, you can cancel them. Alright, I have x plus 3y, x plus 3y. They cancel each other. Those are the only common factors. So hopefully I haven't run out of all my room here. And we'll put our answer. What's left standing? 5x plus 7y. And on the bottom you have 2 times the quantity x plus 3y. And this is your answer.